Good morning. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I didn't get as many jars out of my pepper jelly that I would like to put up. So I'm going to make one more batch of pepper jelly. I'm going to start with 1 cup of white vinegar in my food processor, and I'm going to add pineapple to it. I just think that sounds like a really good combination per someone's suggestion on the blog. So I am down with that for sure. I think that'll be a great combination. All right, I'm gonna do 2 of those as a matter of fact. And then I'm gonna start processing my peppers. And I just thought I'd come on here and chat for a minute. I just got back from the grocery store and mailing the rest of the packages that were ready to mail. So if you're waiting on merchandise, it should be there very soon. I'm going to put a little bit of lemon juice in here because it calls for a teaspoon. And I got fresh lemons at the grocery store, so I'm going to utilize them. No seeds, please. There we go. Anyway, I just thought I would put up one more batch of this, and then when my aromas are ready, I'm going to start putting up, I'm going to do some salsa, and I'm going to do some tomato jam. Yes, I am. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a great day so far. It is overcast here and got a break from the heat. So I'm gonna do a few things here in the kitchen and then maybe go outside and pull some weeds and hopefully some tomatoes too. Love your apron. I've packed about 100 of them. Sid, I know, right? Sid is my cousin, one of my favorites. Sassy Sid, as you named her. And she comes and helps me with cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. And she's coming this week, I think Friday. Anyway, howdy from Hot Springs, Arkansas. Well, hey there, how are you today? I am just making me some pepper jelly. Yup. Hey, Grayson. So what I decided to do is make one more batch. And I pulled out my smaller jars. I really like the smaller jars because if you give this as a gift and they want to put it over a block of cream cheese, they can use the whole thing if it's the smaller jars. And my jars were clean but not hot, so I've stuck them in the oven for a few minutes just to get the jars hot. Anyways, what's everybody else putting up this summer? It's what I want to know, like that farm to table thing that you love to put up. Well, hey there, Lisa from Mississippi. Hey, Judy. Good to see you. So from South Dakota. Let's see. Well, hey there from Vancouver. Brenda, how are you? And hey from Clarksville, Tennessee, and Portland, Texas. We got a lot of United States representation in the house today. Well, hey from Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Gonna make your peach muffins today. Oh, Fran, let me know how they turn out. Oh, thank you very much, Dory. I appreciate that. I got this shirt at my friend Lisa Purdue's store in Southport, Lexi B's. But she also carries these same ones in Greensboro. Help me, sister. I need a chimichurri recipe. Belinda, I have never made chimichurri. I've eaten it, but I've never made it. My cousin Josh fixed Mexican with it last year at the beach. Quad Cities, Illinois. We freeze everything. That's awesome. And Darlene says she's putting up tomatoes. Let's see. I have tomatoes, okra, and different peas. Ooh, that sounds delicious. Definitely would be delicious in the wintertime. We'll get this a blend here, guys, and get it in my pot. Cucumbers and onions and vinegar and sugar. Yum. Love that, Mary. Hey there from Lilburn, Georgia, and from Mooresville, South Carolina. Hello, Donna. Hooray, how are you this morning? Let's see how this looks. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. There we go. Anyway, let me get this dumped in here. Let me grab a spatula. If y'all follow along much, you know I like to get my doings done in the morning during the summertime so I can have some afternoons out of the heat to relax the body down. The past couple days I've been working on my new recipe book, which I'm so excited about. Seeing my Aunt Kathy last night made me even more excited because, you know, she can tell me details and stories about how Granny did this or that. And, you know, when people pass away, if you haven't learned from them how they did their great recipes or your favorite recipes, they're gone then. So I think it's important to share those with your loved ones, the younger generation. Let's see. Okay. Do you ever do any Weight Watchers? I do, Linda. I'm not actively following Weight Watchers right now, obviously. It is a great program, and it does work. And I've had people ask me about keto recipes as well. I'm going to put y'all right there so I can chat and work at the same time. We'll get my sugar in here. 5 cups of sugar. Let me grab a spatula to stir. I did some blueberry stuff earlier with these spatulas, and somebody said that'll never be the same color again, but it came out. I was shocked and grateful, but shocked nonetheless. All right, let me see if I can turn this bad boy. Oh, no. Okay, it's not gonna let me do that right this minute. Let me give this a stir. Y'all can see everything on my kitchen counter. All right, I'm gonna let that come up to boil. Have you ever done fried peach pies and fried chocolate pies? I've done fried peach pies. I've not done any fried chocolate pies. That sounds delicious. Ever tried cabbage casserole? I have not, Leslie. It's so true, been trying to fix my grandma's. I know, Sue, if you don't learn that before they pass on, it's a dying art, isn't it? I used to not like to cook, but after watching you, oh, Tony, that's such a great compliment. Thank you. I still enjoy cooking. It's a good thing because my guys expect me to do it. I do enjoy it, and y'all make it more enjoyable. My brother and sister-in-law live in Gibsonville. She is also a dental hygienist. Oh, cool. Who's your sister? I very well may know her, especially if she's a dental hygienist. For sure, for sure. It's a small community. Robin, I'm making a second batch of pineapple pepper jelly. Have you ever made whipping biscuits? They are amazing. I have made those, I think. Have you ever made blueberry or blackberry juice? It's awesome. I have done blueberry juice because I actually made a moonshine with it, a blueberry moonshine. Robin, I am making pineapple pepper jelly. Let's see, do you make peach pie filling? I do not. Love fried pies. I do too, Teresa. Let me cut this off. My jars are ready. It is so easy. Well, Leslie, you have to share that recipe under viewer comments. You are blessed in my days. Well, thank you, Tracy. I appreciate that. Well, hey there, K-Bird in Louisiana. Oh, I love fried cabbage, Becky. Love. Did you retire? No, I've taken a leave of absence officially, hopefully to help my neck to get better. I miss my patients for sure. I hope to be able to go back, even if for a half a day or so after the summer is kind of what I'm shooting for. Some days my neck doesn't hurt that bad, but some days it does. And being at home, I can gauge my own schedule and then you know, ice it, rest it, that kind of thing is needed. Love them. Oh, well, thank you, Carolyn. Susan, oh, Angela, I know her very well. We worked together at Dr. Hogan's office years ago. I've known her for years. We were in school together, actually. Yeah, love Susan Bone and her family. I love tomato chow. That sounds delicious. I am going to be making some tomato jam at some point when I get some tomatoes in here. Well, hey there from Tybee Beach. I have been there and it's beautiful. What kind of peppers did you use? I used banana peppers and jalapenos today. I think I just got a whip of them. Are you cooking dinner tonight? Veronica, I'm not real sure. We have got leftovers out the yin yang in the refrigerator, and so I may put out some leftovers. Yeah. Well, hey there from Nutchies. Is that Minnesota? Is MS? I don't know. I can't remember. You make me want to cook again. I know. I love cooking, and I like to do it with you guys, and I like to share back and forth what works, what doesn't work. Have you ever been to Canada? Toby, I have not ever been to Canada. Hamburger crushed, tomato, onions, and Chester. Ooh, that sounds delicious, Leslie. Oh, thank you. I love these earrings too. They're leather and they're light. I ordered them through 1110, and I posted that that link above yesterday's post because I had them on then too. But I'm really enjoying them. Have you ever made blackberry jelly? I have not, and I'll tell you why I need it. I'm not a big blackberry fan. Now I like the taste of blackberries, but I don't like the seeds all in my teeth. It drives me insane. Let's see. Tomato jam, you're speaking my language. Do you have any more aprons? I do, Kimberly. I'll check on the online store. I say I do, but I haven't looked at the online store today. Rebecca, I have never made chow chow, but I would like to try. Yes, I would. Hey, Cynthia Bass. How large is the can of crushed? Oh, it was the small can, the one that's kind of short and fat like that. I love my rolling pin. Oh, Angela, I'm so glad. I hope to be able to get more of those from the Amish family. Where did you get your shirt? Kathy, I got it at Lexi B's. It is a sister store to Silver Gallery, but she carries this line at Silver Gallery as well, and she is on Instagram at Silver Gallery. So, made Peg's bread and butter pickles. Oh, amazing. I know, Sharon, I ate them out of the jar yesterday with my lunch. I made a tomato pie yesterday. And if y'all haven't made tomato pie, oh my gosh, it's so good and so easy. And the recipe's going in my next cookbook. Anyway, I'm going to hop off of here. And I will, you know, last night I kind of made this on the fly and I showed y'all kind of the end product. Today I showed you the beginning of it. But, you know, jams and jellies are not hard to make. And when you get, you know, a lot of one thing, strawberries, peaches, blueberries, blackberries, whatever, it's a great way to make something and share it with someone else. So anyway, can't wait to taste your pepper. Yeah, pepper jelly is going to be bomb.com. Yep, I'm going to have some form of it for lunch today. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I'm out. If you're still interested in stuff on the online store, it's open. Go ahead and go and order because the summer line is about 3/4, well, probably half out. So if you want something with this lemon theme, go ahead and get it. It will. It's while supplies last, and then we're already working on our fall line. So yeah, and I'm excited about that too. Listen, life's exciting. We should be more excited as believers for sure. Anyway, take care. Have a wonderful day. Hey, Lisa Norwood, good to see you. And y'all take care. I'll be back with you in I don't know. Hopefully tomorrow I'll get enough aromas to make some salsa. Anyway, I'll see y'all then. Bye.